Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Trello Power-Ups and clean board connections, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Trello Power-Ups, start by opening your Trello board. Locate the board that has the power-up you wish to uninstall. In the top right corner, click on the Show Menu button. In the menu, select Power-Ups. You will see a list of all active Power-Ups on your board. Find the power-up you want to uninstall from the list. Click on the Settings button next to the power-up. In the drop-down menu, choose Remove Power-Up. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove it. Click Remove to confirm. Now the power-up has been uninstalled from your board. Next, it's time to clean up board connections. To do this, return to your board view. Look for cards that may still reference the uninstalled power-up. Open each card that may have content or attachments related to that power-up. Carefully review the details and remove any references or attachments as needed. After cleaning up the cards, it's a good idea to check your board's integrations. Go back to the Show menu and select Power-Ups once again. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Manage Power-Ups. Here, you can see other integrations that may no longer be relevant. Remove any unnecessary connections to ensure your board remains organized. Finally, take a moment to review your board settings. Make sure no lingering settings are affecting your workflow. By following these steps, you can effectively uninstall Power-Ups and clean board connections in Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.